Selamat Hari Raya to any Malaysian friends watching.
Okay guys, so this video is going to be a little bit different to anything I've done before. The plan is to walk around this Ramadan Bazaar here in Putrajaya, and I will capture a video of each of the different food stalls. I will show you the people who are running them, I will show you the food on offer, and we'll try and have a couple of small conversations. But my main focus for today is going to be capturing the different food that is on offer.
Some viewers may find the following video
Belly grumbling inducing.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Before we start guys, I do need to warn you that if you're feeling hungry right now, or if you're fasting because it's Ramadan, I would recommend that you look away now, because there will be a lot of temptation in this video. With that out of the way, let's begin.
Okay, are you ready? Because I am. Let's go.
Let's get ready to rumble!
All this time, you're the only reason I'm not chasing highs, chasing highs. What is love? Lately I've been wondering just what is love? What is love? I don't know. No one ever showed me. I've been on my own for too long. But if you hold me now, let me into your heart, maybe I can start to love again and tend to my scars. Can you show me how? Can you love me without you fly? 'Cause
My next video will be me walking around this same Ramadan Bazaar, but this time interacting with local people and also trying free foods that I've never tried before. So if that sounds like fun and something you're interested in watching, then go and hit the like and subscribe button now. That's it, finished. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this short virtual tour of this Ramadan Bazaar, then go and hit the like and subscribe button, please. It makes a big difference for me and my channel. And secondly, I don't want you to miss any future videos that I make. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.